I'd like to review the basic things or basic definitions that work with algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions. So to build an algebraic expression, we use basically two things. We use variables, and these are symbols, usually letters, like X, that represent some number, or quantity, or a known number, or an unknown number, but variables. Okay, the most common variable we use in algebra is X. I watched a YouTube video about Y. I didn't buy it, so we're not sure. But then X, Y, Z. You can use any variables or any letters you want, though, to represent these. You could use a little smiley face if you really wanted. It's a little harder to draw over and over again, so we tend to stick to things that we can draw really well that don't already have numbers associated with them. So guys like this are good choices. The other thing we use to build algebraic expressions are constants. These are just numbers. For our purposes, we don't care what kinds of numbers these are. Some people limit their scope here to integers because we can build fractions. But variables and constants, those are the two things that make up algebraic expressions. So, an algebraic expression is the combination, so I guess it's a combination of variables and constants using, and the question here is how can I combine these things? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, and roots. Okay. Most of the things we think of when we think about math or arithmetic, that's what we use to build algebraic expressions along with variables. So just a quick example, 5x plus 7y minus 16 is an algebraic expression. Why? Because it's numbers, okay, like 5 here, 7, and 16, combined with operations, here multiplication, here addition, and here subtraction, and that's enough. I've got numbers, or constants, I've got variables, I put them together with these operations. We'll just edit the end of this out here because that's good enough for what I want to say.